We can use zigzag presser foot for blind hemming stitch. And we have to select pattern number 11. And keep the tension between 2 and 3. Fold the fabric back, leaving a small portion of the hem edge exposed. The main fabric will form a fold, and the hem will be underneath. Place folded fabric under the presser foot. Align the fold with the guide on foot so zigzag stitch barely catches the fabric fold. Check it manually by rotating the hand wheel if the left stitches are coming on the upper fabric and right stitches on the lower part of fabric, and adjust fabric accordingly. And then start to sew. The straight stitches will sew on the hem allowance, and the occasional zigzag will catch the fold of the fabric. Once done, unfold the fabric and check the stitches. On the right side, only tiny ticks of stitching should be visible.